Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, Harshit.
Ma'am, I came first in the class.
Yes, first in the class. Very good. How are you doing?
Ma'am, fine. Ma'am, nice.
Good.
Yes, ma'am.
Very good. Your work is all complete, Harshit?
Yes, ma'am.
Submitted the notebooks?
Good morning, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Morning, beta. Huh?
No, ma'am.
Why?
Ma'am, because nobody is free at my house. Ma'am, I will go at Thursday to submit my notebook, ma'am, because on Thursday my father is free.
Okay. Fine.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, bache. Good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
Excuse me,
Yes, beta.
on Thursday, ma'am, school office will be open, na?
Yes, beta, it will be open.
Okay, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, Mika.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, Ahana. Good morning, beta. Good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
बेटा ये यथार्थ मित्तल कौन है? शगुन मित्तल या सिद्धि मित्तल में से कोई है?
Yes, ma'am.
ओके.
Yes, ma'am.
तो ये शगुन है कि सिद्धि है?
Ma'am, I think Siddhi.
Fine, let them join. No issues. Okay.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, Shivansh. How are you, beta?
Fine, ma'am.
Okay.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, Harihant. Fine. I think yesterday, beta, we started with the new chapter of geography.
Yes, ma'am. The drainage system.
Yes, ma'am. Drainage system.
So, what did we do in the class yesterday?
Ma'am, we were doing chapter 3.
Okay, we were doing chapter 3, drainage, right? But what
Yes,
Yes, ma'am.
ma'am.
We start from the Himalayan
river system? Okay, we have to start from the Himalayan river system, right? Can you tell me
Yes.
what exactly I told you yesterday in the class?
Morning, ma'am.
Morning, ma'am.
Good morning, bache. Good morning. So this is 9th C, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So let me take your attendance. We have Shivendra, a new student, right? Who all are there? Let me check. Ahana is there.
Yes, ma'am. Present.
Okay. Aradhya.
Ma'am, Aradhya present.
Radhe. Abhishri. Abhishri, are you there, beta? Arush Jaiswal. Anshika Yadav. Sorry, Anokhi Roy. Is Anokhi there in the class? No, she's not. Anshika Yadav. Anvesha. Anvesha.
Present, ma'am. Present, ma'am.
Rihant. Arshit.
Present, ma'am.
Arshit Yadav is there? No. Arushi Nigam.
Present, ma'am.
Okay. Aryan Gangwar, not in the class. Asjad Raza is also not there in the class. Atharva Verma, not in the class. Avantika Saxena.
Present, ma'am.
Ayushi Nimesh. Bhavya Khandelwal.
Present, ma'am.
Okay. Gurleen, not there. Harshit Oberoi,
Present, ma'am.
Himanshu Singh. Do we have Himanshu in the class? No. Ishi Agarwal,
Present, ma'am.
Jack Anojia. Yes, Abhishri, I have marked you present.
Ma'am, Aryan Gangwar present. Ma'am, I joined late.
Beta Aryan Gangwar, in this month of June, Aryan Gangwar has attended only 2 classes. This is the 3rd class Aryan Gangwar is attending.
Ma'am, I was out of station from some days.
Okay,
I'm in
almost
the
a month. Almost a month you were out of station. Krishna is not there. Sorry, we were on Ishi. Arav Patel is not there. Jivyan Shirora,
Present, ma'am.
Kartikeya Saxena.
Present, ma'am.
Beta, how many days you have attended the class in June?
Ma'am, Karthik.
Yes.
Ma'am, I have attended some classes.
Just one class, beta. That too on 16th of June. After that, no class. And today you are attending 29th. Though I see attendance of almost all the students there, but I don't find them in the class. Kavya Tripathi, not there. Is Kavya there in the class? No. Khyati? Do we have Khyati? No. Kinjal? No. Krishna? No. Molly Mishra?
Yes, ma'am, I'm there.
Okay. Mihika?
Present, ma'am.
Paurush Daksh?
Present, ma'am.
Prachi Gangwar?
Present, ma'am.
Then Pradyuman?
Present, ma'am. Present, ma'am.
Okay. Prakhar?
Present, ma'am.
Prashasti?
Present, ma'am.
Purvi?
Present, ma'am.
Rudransh? Rudransh, are you there, beta? Then do we have Saksham Sharma in the class? Do we have Saksham in the class? No. Samriddhi?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Saksham is there in the class. Samriddhi
Ma'am,
is also,
Samriddhi.
yes. Sagun Mittal?
Ma'am, Shravan present.
Okay. Shambhavi Tiwari, not there. Then do we have Shashank Navodit? No. Do we have Shivansh Pal? Yes.
Yes, ma'am. Present.
Do we have Shreya in the class?
Yes, ma'am, present.
Siddhi Mittal?
Present, ma'am.
Okay. Taranjot?
Present, ma'am.
Utkarsh Gangwar? Not in the class. Then do we have Vishesh Raghuvanshi in the class? No. Do we have Vyom Saxena?
Yes, ma'am.
Vyom Sharma?
Present, ma'am.
Yashika?
Present, ma'am.
And Shivendra?
Present, ma'am.
Yes. Fine. Chaliye. We started with the new chapter. I think I told you about the drainage, then I told you about the river system. I told you about the two river systems, the river systems of two regions, two types of areas, one of the Himalayan rivers and one of the peninsular rivers, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Then what else did we do in the class yesterday? Anybody?
Drainage basin.
Okay, we read about what is
Water
drainage.
divide.
What is drainage? Then we talked. I think I told you about the drainage system in India. Then we also read about drainage basin. We also read about water divide. We also read about the major groups of Indian rivers that are part of the drainage basins, like the Himalayan rivers and the peninsular rivers. Anything in this peninsular river that we did, or the Himalayan rivers?
No, ma'am.
No? Fine. Do you all have the books with you?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Can you please open your books? I am also sharing the screen here.
Yes, ma'am. Open.
Just a second. Can you all see the screen?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Okay, just a second.
No, ma'am.
Right. Now I think it is clear.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Fine.
Yes, ma'am.
Can we have Shivendra reading?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Shivendra.
The term drainage describes the river systems of an area. Look at the physical map. You will notice that small streams flowing from different directions come together to form the main river, which ultimately drains into a large water body such as a lake or a sea or an ocean.
ठीक है.
The area
Can we-
drained by a
wait.
single river system
Beta,
is
wait,
called.
bacha, wait. Can we have Siddhi reading? Yes,
ma'am.
read beta. You all need to be attentive. I can randomly tell anybody to read in between also. Fine. Yes, Siddhi?
The drainage system of India are mainly controlled by the broad relief features of the
No, we are
subcontinent.
not here. Beta, we are not here. Siddhi, please. Okay, can we have Shreya reading?
Yes, ma'am. The area drained by a single river system is called a drainage basin. A closer observation on the map will indicate that any elevated area, such as a mountain or an upland, separates two drainage basins, such as upland, is known as water divide.
Okay, the world's largest drainage basin is of the Amazon River. Where is Amazon River? Do you know? Where does it flows?
Ma'am, in the Brazil.
Brazil. South America.
Brazil.
If I
I'm
ask
South
you
America.
which continent? If I ask you which continent?
South America.
Ma'am,
From
South
South
America.
America.
It is South America. Very good, very good. Fine. Next, can we have Samriddhi Shukla reading?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Read
The drainage systems of India are mainly controlled by the broad relief features of the
Yes.
subcontinent.
Carry on.
Ma'am,
According
someone is messaging on the
the
group.
Indian rivers are divided into two major groups.
Beta,
The
wait a
Himalayan
second.
river.
Wait a second, Samriddhi, wait. Yes, beta.
Ma'am, someone is messaging on the group that he or she wants to enter.
Beta, 2 times I have taken her. I don't know why she's not able to join.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes, carry on.
Apart from originating from the two major physiographic regions of India, the Himalayan and the Peninsular rivers are different from each other in many ways. Most of the Himalayan rivers are perennial. It means that they have water throughout the year. These rivers receive water from the rain as well as from melted snow from the lofty mountains. The two major Himalayan rivers,
Wait,
the
Samriti.
Indus and the
Wait. Okay, so which are the two major Indian rivers, two major groups of Indian rivers?
Indus and Brahmaputra.
Himalayan rivers.
rivers and peninsular rivers.
Okay. Can we have Harshit answering this question? Can we have Harshit answering?
Ma'am, Harshit or Arshit?
Harshit Oberoi.
Ma'am, I didn't listen the question, ma'am. My audio was disconnected.
Chalo. Can we have Purvi answering?
Yes, ma'am.
What was my question? Okay,
Ma'am,
Vyom
I'm
Sharma.
really sorry. Actually,
Vyom Sharma.
Ma'am, the two major Himalayan rivers are the Indus and the Brahmaputra.
No. Aradhe.
Ma'am, two major groups of rivers were the Himalayan rivers and the peninsular rivers.
They are the Himalayan rivers and the peninsular rivers, right? If I talk about Himalayan river system, then Vyom, you would tell what?
Ma'am, the Indus and the Brahmaputra.
Indus, Brahmaputra and Ganga also, beta. We have three rivers
Yes, ma'am.
originating from Himalaya. Okay. Can we have Aradhe reading now?
Ma'am, but I don't have the book open right now.
I have shared the screen over here, no?
So, ma'am, I have to read from the two major Himalayan rivers.
No, you have to read from the fourth line. Most of the Himalayan rivers.
Yes,
From
ma'am.
here you read.
Most of the Himalayan rivers are perennial. It means that they have water throughout the year. These rivers receive water from rain as well as the melted snow from the lofty mountains. The two major Himalayan rivers, the Indus and Brahmaputra, originate from the north of mountain ranges. They have cut through the mountains, making gorges. The Himalayan rivers have long courses from their source to the sea.
Fine.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, beta.
Ma'am, what is gorges?
Beta, gorges are eye-shaped valleys. I-shaped valleys आपको पता है ना क्या होती है? I-shaped होती है, U-shaped होती है, V-shaped होती है. तो ये जो हिमालयन बोलो बेटा. Okay. So can we have now Ishi reading?
Ma'am, can you once again tell because I was gone?
I said you read, please.
No, ma'am, from where?
Next page.
They perform intensive, ma'am, second paragraph.
This one only.
A large number of
This
they
one.
perform intensive erosional activity in their upper courses.
Beta, from where you started, no?
Ma'am, from they perform.
Yes. Read.
They perform intensive erosional activity in their upper courses and carry huge loads of silt and sand. In the middle and the lower courses, these rivers form meanders, oxbow lakes, and many other depositional features in their floodplains. They also have well-developed deltas.
Okay.
A large number of peninsular.
Wait. I think this similar figure I showed you yesterday in that PPT,
Yes,
right?
ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Now listen. Now this paragraph that whosoever is going to read, it tells you about peninsular rivers. In the previous paragraph, we have read about the Himalayan rivers. You may get a question that give points of difference between the peninsular and the Himalayan rivers, or what is the difference, how the Himalayan rivers are different from peninsular rivers. right? So you need to be you need to be attentive to listen, to read out this paragraph. It is important in the sense that you get several questions on this. Especially one important question is that what is the difference between the peninsular and the Himalayan rivers, or give points to show difference between the peninsular or the Himalayan rivers, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Can
Yes,
we have
ma'am.
can we have Arihant Nigam reading?
Ma'am, can I read?
Arihant is not there.
Ma'am, may I?
Wait, Ahana.
Ma'am, may I read?
Ma'am,
Yes, ma'am.
Huh.
Large number of the peninsular rivers are seasonal, as their flow is dependent on rainfall. During the dry season, even the large rivers have reduced flow of water in their channels. The peninsular rivers have shorter and shallow courses as compared to the Himalayan counterparts. However, some of them originate in the central highlands and flow towards the west. Can you identify two such large rivers? Most of the rivers of peninsular India originate in the western Ghats and flow towards the Bay of Bengal.
Fine. Now, anything in this whole paragraph to be explained? Class?
No, ma'am.
ma'am, I have one thing.
Ma'am, what are counterparts?
बताओ आपकी समझ से काउंटर पार्ट्स क्या होंगे? बेटा हिमालयन रिवर्स जो है, हिमालयन रिवर्स के लिए काउंटर पार्ट्स यूज करा गया है, ठीक है भाई? रिवर्स तो रिवर्स ही होती हैं. पेनिनसुलर रिवर्स हमने कैटेगराइज कर दिया कि जो पेनिनसुलर रिवर्स हैं वो आपकी जो है, क्योंकि वो जो है इधर आपका प्लेट्यू रीजन से, रॉकी सर्फेस से ओरिजिनेट होती हैं, सेंट्रल हाईलैंड से, कोई वेस्टर्न घाट से, इसलिए हमने उनको पेनिनसुलर रिवर्स कह दिया. बट यहाँ पे जो काउंटर पार्ट्स है, दे आर टॉकिंग अबाउट द हिमालयन रिवर्स. ठीक है,
Okay, ma'am.
राइट? हाँ जी.
Excuse me, ma'am.
यस बेटा परुष.
Ma'am, in the diagram, that figure 3.3, ma'am, which can you please tell me which is the U-shaped valley and Y-shaped valley?
बेटा अच्छा आप वो पूछ रहे हो, इसमें नहीं दिखाया गया है उसको, इसमें नहीं दिखाया गया है. हम आपको रुको, हम शेयर कर लेते हैं स्क्रीन पे. आपके न्यू शेयर पे जाएंगे और जस्ट अ सेकेंड.
Ma'am, the Oxbow Lakes contains fresh waters.
ऑक्सबो में नहीं, फ्रेश वाटर नहीं होता है ये, क्योंकि कट जाती है ना बेटा. इसमें क्या होता है, रेन्स के टाइम पे बारिश आ जाती है, पर आप इसको फ्रेश नहीं कह सकते हो, फ्रेश वाटर नहीं होता है. ठीक है. हाउ टू शो यू दिस? जस्ट अ सेकेंड, लेट मी ड्रॉ इट ऑन द व्हाइट बोर्ड. हाँ, is it showing?
No, ma'am.
Is
No,
the
ma'am.
is the whiteboard showing?
Yes, ma'am. Now it's showing.
Yes, ma'am, now showing.
ओके देखो बेटा, आई शेप्ड वैलीज क्या होती हैं? देखो, ये आपके माउंटेन्स हैं, ठीक है. ठीक, अब यहां से जब रिवर ओरिजिनेट होती है, एक मिनट बेटा, इन माउंटेन्स में ही, क्योंकि बहुत हाई इसके पीक्स होते हैं, यहाँ से इरोजनल एक्टिविटीज होती है, तो क्या करते हैं कि ये जो आपको ये दिख रहा है, ये ऐसे आई शेप्ड वैलीज बना देते हैं. ठीक है. ओवर अ पीरियड ऑफ टाइम जब इन वैलीज पे लगातार पानी गिरता है, तो ये वी शेप ले लेती है. क्या ले लेती हैं? ये वी शेप में हो जाती है. उसके बाद ओवर अ पीरियड ऑफ टाइम पानी के लगातार गिरने से, इरोजनल एक्टिविटीज के होने से, ये यू शेप में आ जाती है. ठीक है.
Okay, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
वैसे तो
Ma'am,
V
and after
हाँ.
U shape, there is any other shape also?
नहीं, उसके बाद फिर ये और ब्रॉड होती जाती है, बस डिपेंड
Okay,
करता है.
ma'am.
ठीक है. अच्छा, दूसरा, ये जो वी शेप्ड और जो यू शेप्ड वैलीज हैं, ये ज्यादातर ग्लेशियर्स के द्वारा बनाई जाती है बेटा. आर्चेस बन जाते हैं, आर्म लाइक स्ट्रक्चर्स बन जाते हैं, तो ग्लेशियर्स क्योंकि हम हिमालयन माउंटेन्स की बात कर रहे हैं, वहां पे आपके स्नो कैप्ड माउंटेन्स होते हैं। जब ग्लेशियर्स मेल्ट होके गिरते हैं, कई बार क्या होता है, ग्लेशियर्स पूरे पूरे मेल्ट नहीं हो पाते हैं, कई बार उनके बहुत सॉलिड पार्टिकल्स जो होते हैं स्नो के, वो भी नीचे गिर जाते हैं विद द फ्लो ऑफ वाटर। तो बिकॉज वो इतने ज्यादा हाइट से गिरते हैं, एक तो स्टीप स्लोप होता है प्लस बहुत ऊंचाई से गिरते हैं, तो वो दे टेंड टू मेक वी शेप्ड एंड दी यू शेप्ड वैलीज। जो आपकी आई शेप्ड वैलीज होती है, उन्हीं को ये वी और यू में कन्वर्ट कर देते हैं। ठीक है?
Yes, ma'am.
चल
Yes.
चल ओके। अरे right, we have to read from here now.
Ma'am, we have to read from the Himalayan rivers.
हाँ, चलिए, let us have Jivyansh reading.
Yes, ma'am.
Hmm.
The Himalayan rivers. The major Himalayan rivers are the Indus and the Ganga and the Brahmaputra.
Hmm.
These rivers are long and are joined by many large and important tributaries. A river, along with its tributaries, may be called a river system.
हाँ जी,
The Indus River system.
हाँ.
The river
Jivyansh,
rises.
wait. Now talking about the Indus River system, we all know that Indus River, though it originates from the Himalayas, but then it does not flow within the country. It gets diverted and it enters Pakistan, right? Right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
See, Indus is considered to be the largest river in size. The length of this river is 2,900 kilometers. The main source of this river, like the place from where this river originates, is Mansarovar Lake in Tibet, right? Then this river, Indus River, enters India in Ladakh region of Jammu and Kashmir. अब जम्मू अलग हो गया, जम्मू कश्मीर और लद्दाख अलग यूनियन टेरिटरी हो गई है, जम्मू कश्मीर अलग हो गया, पर ये चीज रहेगी सेम ही, ठीक है? Then we have certain tributaries of this Indus River. These tributaries are Zaskar, Numra, Shok, Hunza. They are known by this name in the Kashmir region, the Kashmir area from where Indus flows, where these tributaries are there, which join the main river. They are called as Zaskar, Numra, Shok, and Hunza. Then other tributaries which are there, they are Satluj, Ravi, Byas, Jhelum, and the Chenab, which join Indus at Mithankot in Pakistan. Mithankot is a place in Pakistan where the other tributaries, namely Satluj, Ravi, Byas, Jhelum, and Chenab, they join Indus. Now talking about the delta that is formed, because we all know that river Indus drains, because it flows through Pakistan and ultimately it drains itself in the Arabian Sea or in Bay of Bengal.
Arabian Sea.
Arabian
Sea.
Exactly, because Pakistan, if you look at the southern part of Pakistan, you will find Arabian Sea over there. So this Indus River finally has the drainage basin into the Arabian Sea, right? It is Arabian. Very good. Okay, can we have Prashasti reading?
Ma'am, Taran wants to read.
Wait a second, Taran. Prashasti?
The Indus River system. The river Indus rises in the Tibet near Lake Mansarovar. Flowing west, it enters India in the Ladakh district of Jammu and Kashmir. It forms a picturesque gorge in this part. Several tributaries, the Jaskar and the Nubra, the Shyok and the Hunza, join it in the Kashmir region. The Indus flows through Baltistan and Gilgit and emerges.
The Indus flows through Baltistan and Gilgit
and emerges from the mountains at Attock. The Satluj, the Beast, the Ravi, the Chenab, and the Jhelum join together to enter the Indus near Mithankot in Pakistan. Beyond this, the Indus flows southwards, eventually reaching the Arabian Sea east of Karachi. The Indus plain has a very gentle slope with a total length of 2,900 kilometers, the Indus is one of the longest rivers of the world. A little over a third of the Indus basin is located in India in the states of Jammu and Kashmir, Himachal Pradesh and Punjab, and the rest is in Pakistan.
Okay, we will not write states of Ladakh. We will write that Ladakh UT and Jammu and Kashmir UT. You will write a little over a third of the Indus basin is located in India, Ladakh, Jammu, and see state over here. No, is the state mentioned over here?
Yes, ma'am.
But you have to cut this, okay?
Ma'am, what we have to cut?
Wherever you have in front of Jammu and Kashmir, Ladakh written as a state or district, that you have to cut, because now Ladakh and Jammu and Kashmir are union territories, right?
Excuse me, ma'am.
जी बेटा हर्षित.
Ma'am, Chenab would be only, ma'am, Indus would only be river, ma'am, which flows from in 3 countries in the world.
Which flows in
3 countries.
Indus?
Yes, ma'am.
Which all countries?
Ma'am, Tibet, India and Pakistan.
Yes. Right. But I'm not sure about it. We need to check, okay? Chalo. Can we have Taran reading?
Ma'am, may I read next?
बेटा तरन ने कैसे बोला
Ma'am,
था?
from Did You Know?
हाँ, Did You Know?
Ma'am, we all want to read.
After Taran.
According to the regulations of the Indus Water Treaty 1960, India can use only 20% of the total water carried by the Indus River system. The water is used for irrigation in Punjab, Haryana, and the southern and the western parts of Rajasthan. The Ganga River system. The headwaters of the Ganga, called the Bhagirathi, is fed by the Gangotri Glacier and joined by the Alaknanda at Dev Prayag in Uttarakhand. At Haridwar, the Ganga emerges from the mountains onto the plains.
Okay. The Ganga River system. Talking about the Ganga River system, we all know that Ganga River forms the largest basin in India. Forms the largest delta in the country of the country.
Yes, ma'am. Sundarban Delta.
Then this river is approximately 2,500 kilometers in length. The main source of Ganga is Bhagirathi, right? Bhagirathi, which is fed by the Gangotri Glacier, and it is joined by the Alaknanda at Dev Prayag in Uttarakhand. The main tributaries of this river are the Yamuna, the Ghagra, the Gandhak, Kosi, coming from peninsular India. Now, these are the rivers. Now, the names that I'm going to read out, these are those rivers which come from the peninsular India. They are the Chambal, the Betwa, and the Son. Sorry. Then this Ganga river enters Bangladesh, and it is joined by Brahmaputra over there, and collectively Ganga and Brahmaputra from Bangladesh, they drain themselves into the Bay of Bengal, forming the largest deltas together of the largest delta. And from which place this Ganga and Brahmaputra, they form deltas? Which place do they form the deltas? You have read it many times, class?
West Bengal.
नहीं, उस जगह का नाम बताओ. कौन से डेल्टास कहलाते हैं?
Sundarban.
Sundarban.
Sundarban deltas.
Sundarban deltas. Very good. Very good. And why it is called as Sundarban? That place is Sundarban because of the Sundari tree that is present over there. वहाँ पे मार्शी एरिया है, काफी ये मार्शी एरिया है. मार्शी एरिया में जो वेजिटेशन होता है वो उसका जो टाइप होता है वो इस तरीके का होता है. उसकी जो रूट्स होती है उन पे वैक्स कोटिंग होती है, ताकि पानी, क्योंकि पूरा टाइम वो पानी में, बहुत ज्यादा पानी में मर्ज रहती हैं, ताकि वो गले ना, रॉटन ना हो, इसलिए इनकी रूट्स पे वैक्सी कोटिंग होती है. अगर आप लोगों को कभी चांस पड़ा होगा वहां देखने का, या उनकी पिक्चर्स अगर आपने देखी होगी, आपने देखा होगा मार्शी एरियाज जो होते हैं उनमें पूरा टाइम दलदली सा वो रहता है, दलदल रहती है ना, पूरा टाइम पानी रहता है.
Water marshy
Yes,
areas में
ma'am.
वो जंगल वाली जगह.
Exactly. Marshy areas are called daldal areas only. So the marshy area होने की वजह से जो उसकी जो roots होती है उन पे wax coating होती है जिससे कि वो पानी में completely dissolve होके सड़े ना. ठीक है? Right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. See, map work for this chapter, you need to mark the major rivers like Ganga, Brahmaputra, Indus, then Godavari, Krishna, Kaveri, Mahanadi, Narmada and Tapi, right? Not now. I will tell you when to do it, but not now. Fine? Because you people must be preparing for your exams. Right? Chalo.
Ma'am, Mary.
Vyom.
Ma'am, first I asked.
But Vyom asked initially, no? After Vyom, you read, okay, Harshit? Chalo, Vyom beta, carry on.
Ma'am, from the length of Ganga.
The Ganga is, yes, Ganga is joined by many tributaries. Huh?
Yes, ma'am. The Ganga is joined by many tributaries from the Himalayas, a few of them being major rivers such as the Yamuna, the Ghagar, the Gandak, and the Kosi. The river Yamuna rises from the Yamunotri Glacier in the Himalayas. It flows parallel to the Ganga and as a right bank tributary meets the Ganga at Allahabad. The Gangar, the Gandak, and the Kosi rise. And the Kosi,
Gandak,
the Gagra, the Gandak, and the Kosi rise in the Nepal Himalaya. They are the rivers which they are the rivers which flood parts of the northern plains every year, causing widespread damage to life and property, whereas they enrich the soil for agriculture use.
Okay, wait. Do you know this Kosi river? It is the main river that flows in Bihar. इसको पता है बिहार का शोक भी कहा जाता है. क्यों कहा जाता है? Do you know?
मैम शोक मतलब मैम बुरी चीज.
Sorrow of Bihar क्यों कहा जाता है?
Ma'am, because it causes flood
Exactly.
in the monsoon season.
Every year in monsoons, it overflows and takes lives of many people. जान माल दोनों का नुकसान होता है बहुत ही excessive तरीके से. That is why it is known as the sorrow of Bihar. ठीक है?
Ma'am, but why does the government does not build a dam?
बेटा वो पॉसिबल नहीं हो रहा है ना. अगर हो पाता तो कर ही लेते. कंट्रोल करने की काफी आज की डेट में काफी कंट्रोल किया जा चुका है. काफी चीजें करी जा चुकी हैं जिससे कि पानी ओवरफ्लो ना हो. बट क्योंकि ये जो रिवर है इसमें पानी ऑलरेडी रहता है. ये सीजनल रिवर तो है नहीं. ये आपकी पेरिनियल रिवर है जिसमें पूरा टाइम पानी रहता है. तो इस वजह से जो है इसका पानी मॉनसून के टाइम पे बहुत ज्यादा राइज अप कर जाता है. ठीक है? ओके, बिकॉज वी आर लेफ्ट विद वेरी लेस टाइम. So whatever we have done in the class, I hope everything is clear and understood.
Yes, ma'am. Clear.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, one thing I would like to appreciate. I would like to appreciate Ahana, Mihika for their work. You know, each and everything that was done in the class, their notebooks have everything in it. You name a thing and you name a particular part of the chapter or particular topic, they have it in the notebook. Ahana, I was really impressed, beta. This was all your efforts that you have done. And you know, if you are doing your studies this way, nobody can stop you from scoring good percentage. But keep this as a practice in class 10th also. Mihika also, she has done each and every work, all the maps properly labeled, properly answered. Like many of the students have done everything, but then the map work, they have not specified that which particular topic is covered in that map work. But Ahana and Mihika, even Prachi has done, but Prachi's maps are not complete. Her work, everything was done. And I really appreciate Ahana for the effort she has put in the writing work. Keep it up, beta. I really like it. Reason being, you have done whatever was told, and you have, made those notes also that you have prepared, they are also up to the mark. मतलब कहीं पे कहीं there are no, कोई flaws नहीं है, कोई problem नहीं है, कुछ गलत नहीं है, सब कुछ to the point आपने लिखा है. और अगर आप इस तरह